Oh, Barack, Barack, how we miss you, how we need you. Come back, please.
Hi, everybody.
So there is an old saying that you should never work with animals and children, and it's actually meant as a warning. But it's a little known fact that that quote actually comes from the 1930s comedian W.C. Fields, and he meant that you should never work with animals and children because they often steal the show. This week's Communicator of the Week is Barack Obama because he showed that he perfectly understood this principle when he visited the Parkside Academy nursery in Chicago to make a surprise appearance as Skinny Santa. His words, not mine.
Are you really Barack Obama?
I really am.
Now, Barack Obama is one of the most charismatic leaders of the modern age, and you'd be forgiven for thinking that it's because it's all about him. But if you followed me for a while, you'll know that my view is that a central element of charisma is that you make it about other people. And Barack Obama showed that he really understood this during this visit.
The story is called Santa Got to Go. You see him eating that cookie? Do you guys eat cookies like that sometimes? I'll bet sometimes you just like, ah.
One of the best quotes on this principle is by Dale Carnegie, the author of How to Win Friends and Influence People. And he said, to be interesting, be interested. To be interesting, be interested. And this is what Barack Obama does throughout this visit. Time and time again, he understands that he is working with children. And so instead of trying to steal the show and make it all about him, he uses the opportunity to engage with them, to ask them questions, to hear their point of view, to do interaction, to listen to what they had to say. And it made the whole meeting, the whole visit, just so enjoyable. The kids obviously loved it because although Barack Obama is former president of the United States, what he did was talk not at them, but with them and make them feel like he valued them just as much as he valued himself. And as a result, he came across as a really charismatic and endearing leader. Can you imagine Donald Trump doing that?
Actually, I was only kidding. You can get the baby out of here. That's all right. Don't worry. I think she really believed me that I love having a baby crying while I'm speaking.
No, me neither. So if you want to start developing the skill of charisma, and it is a skill, you could go a long way there by focusing on that Dale Carnegie rule. To be interesting, be interested. Focus on other people, and they will reflect that back to you. As always, if you want to start working on your communication skills, and yes, you really do, then a really great place to start is with my Communication Skills Masterclass. You'll find it on a link somewhere on this page. Check it out, and I'll see you next time.